Up the street, down the street. 1324 North Lakeside. Sorry, we just had a visitor here. They requested the lawn service not be performed. So the lawn crew does come every week. They will come this afternoon. Large, long driveway. Eight or 10 cars plus 2-car garage plus street parking. We're going to go in the main entrance there, but just for a side view, this is the rec room and it has a separate entrance. And there's also a bedroom behind the rec room. Let's go inside. Okay, welcome to this huge, magnificent 3-bedroom, 5-bath, sauna, 2-car garage, living room, family room, dining room, breakfast nook, game room, home with a pool on the golf course on the intracoastal. Storage area, large eating kitchen, oversized countertop. Inside we have a 3-door refrigerator, a gas range with a microwave, dishwasher, lots of storage. View to the pool. Appliance garage. There's a garbage can closet and then also a large step-in pantry. There's storage, more shelves behind that door. That goes to the garage and the laundry room. We'll go back that way soon. Adjacent to the kitchen, we have the dining area that's poolside. See the view. Living room with a fireplace. Soaring high ceilings downstairs. This living area. Skylights. Here's one of the bathrooms. This is the one with the sauna. It's a cabana bath, so that door goes to the pool. We have a shower, and then we have the sauna. Alright, out of the cabana bath. Golf course and intracoastal. And once again, the pool deck. That's the rec room, doors and windows. Gate. So if you want to walk down the golf course or walk over to the intracoastal, there is a gate. storm shutters. Let's run upstairs. There's our front entry with a front screen porch. Upstairs, feature window in the front with a view and also a linen closet. Guest bedroom with ensuite bath. Feature window, dual closets. This bathroom has a tub. And also view to the golf course and pool. Soaring high ceilings. Master suite, step-in closet. Soaring ceilings, wonderful views, and a porch patio. Ensuite bath has dual sinks toilet and also dual shower head showers. There's also a step-in linen closet here. Sliding doors are pocketed. So when you open them, there's a second one there. Patio that goes over around the corner to the pool area. Golf course. The buildings are the island of Palm Beach. On the other side is the Atlantic Ocean. And we'll run downstairs and see the balance of the ground floor. Two-car garage. Washer dryer. The dryer is a gas dryer. Inexpensive to run, plus dries really efficient and fast. Here's the rec room. Cabana doors, windows, refrigerator, wine cooler, sink. Another dining area. This was the door we saw earlier at the beginning of the video, next to the garage. Skylights. There's a full guest bath here with a tub, feature window, and there's a full bedroom here with an ensuite bath. So linen closet outside, shower, toilet, sink, step-in closet. Look at this pool area. Kitchen window. That was the dining area window. The cabana door. That concludes our whirlwind impromptu tour at 1324 North Lakeside Drive. Thank you.